In this video, I'm going to show you what is new in the Claude app. So if I go to app info and show you what version I'm on, you can see down here, it's 1.250310.7 and a few new things that I'm going to show you on this app. So first and foremost, we have instant answers. So basically, if we open up the Claude app and initiate a conversation and asking a question, what is the capital of France? It's going to give you an instant answer like Paris. Or if I use this with my voice. So that gives you instant answers. You can also upload a file like a document or an image and basically ask Claude to analyze or extract the information. So if I go to my files and see what I've got here, I don't think I have any spreadsheets in here. Let's go with a picture of a training session I was at, and then I'm basically going to ask this to analyze this picture. So analyze this picture just to see what happens. And there you can see it has analyzed that picture for me. So that's something that's different with instant answers. The next thing is extended thinking. So basically, if you ask Claude a complex question, so hopefully Claude will provide a step-by-step breakdown here, outlining the necessary steps, reasoning and providing explanations. So as you can see, it has done that, which is great. So that's the extended thinking. Another thing that you can do is you can start a conversation on the Claude app on your mobile device by asking a question. And then you can open the Claude app on another device, so a tablet or a laptop, and continue the same conversation where you left off, which is great. And then another thing is task assistance. So basically I could say, and then hopefully Claude will generate a polished, well-written email in seconds. And this demonstrates Claude's ability to summarize things like meeting notes. So that's just a few things that you can do with the Claude app.